And how about dating? Do you have another, do you date? Do you date or you don't date? Or last time, did you tell me you were married or you were single? Do you hear me? Indrajit, this is really bad. Do you hear me or no?
It is really, really bad.
I know. Wait, let me
I
give
can
you a
hear you, but
trophy,
you are
another trophy.
paused.
So now you have time, you make time to learn English, you make time for YouTube, and do you make time for dating?
No, no, no. I have, I'm happily single right now. I'm very happy.
What was the most memorable
Best
comment?
comment, there are plenty of comments and plenty of subscribers who always show their constant love to the YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel, and they always comment that they are very happy to have such YouTube channels, and also they are benefited.
Do
Now
we have?
I hope that everything will be fine.
Oh, good. I was like, what happened? Well, tell me, what have you been doing? I see that you are the big man on campus on Iconic.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. And
What tell me
yeah,
what you've been doing?
I just upload Cambly videos and also a lot of videos. Whatever I learn, I just share on my YouTube channel. And also, besides doing, I'm currently pursuing my bachelor degree in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Wow, that is awesome. And how long do you have before you finish?
I have 1 more year left.
And then, what are your like future plans? What are your goals?
The future plan, truly speaking, that I want to get a decent job in my field, and also besides doing job, I want to continue my YouTube career also.
And do you want to enter politics? Because you're the big man on YouTube now. So do you want to enter politics?
No, politics is not my cup of tea.
Okay. First idiom.
Yes.
Very good. I like that. I like that. Okay. So that's not your cup of tea. So tell me, like, what do you see? All right. So tell me, like, are you watching the Olympics? What kind of things are you doing?
I watch Olympic games, and also nowadays, because I have a lot of online classes, and also in the next month my university exam will be conducted, so that's why I have to study more right now.
And what are your study habits like? Your study habits? Do you do like an hour, 2 hours? What do you do?
Whenever I want to read, just I read, and especially in the time, in the morning time, I always prefer to read on that time, and in the evening time for 2 hours, and in the
And
morning time for 2 or 3 hours.
how about dating? Do you have another? Do you date? Do you date or you don't date? Or last time, did you tell me you were married or you were single? So now you have time, you make time to learn English, you make time for YouTube, and do you make time for dating?
No, no, no. I have, I'm happily single right now. I'm very happy.
You you will do you think relationships are complicated? Do you think it's complicated? Dating is complicated? Do you think dating is
Yeah,
complicated? Why?
yeah. I think, yeah, I think dating is really complicated because uh, I have actually I have no interest, so that's why. And also on the other hand, I want to be busy in my also in my works. That's all
Oh,
about this. So that's why I do not I do not have interest in dating.
this is the trophy for a nice sentence there. I like the
Correct.
sentence. That was a good sentence. Although
Thank you very much.
I'm kind of sad you're not dating. But anyway, all right. So, do you hear me?
Really?
Yes, because it's nice to date, don't you think?
No,
Date.
really, it is a really bad day.
It's a bad day. It's a bad day for the communication. But anyway, so now you just really spend time like deciding what you need to focus on, right? That's a good word.
Yes,
Focus on something. Okay.
yes, focus on.
And what are you planning to do with the YouTube channel? Like, what does the channel? I know you want to show people different things. How do you want to expand?
Yeah, it is better,
This
but
is
your picture is false.
my picture is paused. It's just you could hear me.
Now I can see you. But I think this not be a proper way to film.
Well, we'll have to make another date, even though you don't date. So
Yeah, yeah.
anyway, so like, I mean, I want to say congratulations on all your success because I guess, you're doing a really, really good job in your channel and to reach, people like you said that can't pay for lessons, which is a good point, So, I want to say
And
congratulations
also,
on that end.
I want to. It's really a great pleasure for me that you congratulate me. Thank you very much for your great congratulation.
Oh, I love that. So, can you tell me what's the best comment that you've ever received about your videos? What that you opened up a channel and you said, "Wow, what was the most memorable
Best
comment?"
comment. There are plenty of comments and plenty of subscribers who always show their constant love to the YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel, and they always comment that they are very happy to have such YouTube channels, and also they are benefited for
Wow.
uploading these.
And when you started your
They can
YouTube,
learn English.
go ahead.
Yeah, I started this YouTube channel since last year during lockdown.
And did this idea come to you because you saw the need for people to learn without, having to pay because it is expensive, right? So
Right.
you opened up that to the world, which is an awesome thing for you to do.
Thank you, ma'am. Yeah, I want to be extroverted. I was too introvert when I
You were
was kid.
introverted. Good. Okay. And you want to be an extrovert.
Yeah, that's why I started this YouTube channel, and also it really helps me to become extroverted.
Well, you seem to be doing just fine. And I want to give, one trophy for putting the channel and one trophy for being extrovert.
Thank you very much.
Oh no. Well, I put 2 trophies up for you, and I hope that you visit again and we have a wonderful conversation.
Yeah,
All right,
bye.
take care and God bless. Bye-bye.